I figured out the magical Vulfpeck secret. Okay, so starting off fresh piano, right? So let's just take the song Outro for example, That doesn't sound quite right. You know why? You know why? They detune the shit out of it. Wait. Oh wait, I accidentally transposed. I meant to detune. So I'm just gonna sit here for a minute doing this. Don't mind me. Now we're gonna transpose it up a half step. Or actually, let's listen to this first. Sounds pretty out of tune. But then once we go up here, man, whole nother level. This is up like a half step and a half. Sounds so much cooler, and especially like the Richard T fill, like the. It sounds so cool. Whereas normally it'd sound like, which is still pretty cool, but the lesson is that detuning pianos are cool. Yeah.